In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a free AI video generator that you can use to generate any kind of dialogue video for absolutely free. Yes, like a dialogue video like this.
Hello, Mary. I finally get to see you in real life. You look more stunning than your profile, actually.
You are not looking bad too. I thought you were not coming home this Christmas holiday before.
Yes, you are right. My parents first told me not to, but then something came up.
Oh, I see. Mommy's boys.
So tell me, how have you been managing all this have you gotten any job?
I got hired at one company, but the pay is very low, so I'm still searching.
Okay, that's very good. Anyway, I called you here so you can at least see the person you have been chatting with.
All right, thanks so much for making it up to me. Hope to see you soon.
So before I leave Nigeria, I will try fix a proper date so we have a real date. All right, thanks so much and have a nice weekend.
Mommy, hope you're enjoying the food.
The food is very delicious, but reduce the pepper next time. As the doctor said, I don't need much pepper.
All right, Mom, I will be careful next time. Let me go get my food and come gist you about my date.
So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you can use this AI tools to generate any kind of dialogue video. Alright guys, so before I show you the free AI video generator, let's first generate an image that we are going to be converting to video. Okay, the image that I'm going to use to show you how you can access the free AI video generator. And for us to do that, we need to head over to ChatGPT to get a prompt that we are going to use to generate that image. So I'll just head over to my ChatGPT. Alright, so what I need to do now is to go ahead and type how I want the video setting to look like. For this, I want a guy and a lady having dinner, okay, just like a date, right? So the way I can picture it, the way I imagine it, I just have to go ahead and type it that way to ChatGPT. With that, ChatGPT is going to help me to write a well structured prompt to generate my image. So now the way I can picture it in my head, I'll just have to go ahead and type it. Now watch me as I'm typing it. So let me just type a simple stuff like this. Okay, so these are I want it to be. Okay, I want to generate realistic video image of Nigerian guy and lady at their 20 years. This is like I want them to be black, that's why I declared that Nigerian. Okay, and their age I just declared. The purpose of this is to quickly get an image that we are going to be converting to video before I show you the free AI tool that we are going to use to generate the video. So let's quickly get something from here. I need to let ChatGPT know that I want a detailed image prompt. Okay, so what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so in few seconds, ChatGPT was able to give me a detailed image prompt. So what I need to do now is to copy this image prompt to go and generate the image. Okay, so let me just copy and then head over to any image generating application or software to generate the image. Okay, so I'm going to be generating my image using Google Nano Banana Pro, and I'll be accessing my Google Nano Banana Pro from Flow. So search for Flow. Okay, so this first link, go ahead and click it, Google Apps. Alright, so here we are on my Flow. As you can see, I have access to Google Nano Banana 2. Okay, so what I need to do now is to click this Nano Banana 2 and then select your aspect ratio. For this, I'm going to be leaving it on 16 ratio now because I'm generating for YouTube purpose, right? And then go ahead and select your output per prompt. Look at this 1x, x2, x3, x4. Okay, that is how many image per prompt. I'm going to be leaving it on 2 and make sure the image is selected. And then what I need to do now is to go ahead and paste the prompt that we just got from ChatGPT. And then go ahead and hit OK. So now let's watch and see as our image is being generated. Alright, as you can see our image has been generated. Look at it. You just have to go ahead and select anyone that you want from these two images. Okay, select anyone. Let me see, if you want the first one, you just have to click it and download it. You see, when you click it, you are going to see this drop down arrow. Click it and then 2K resolution. It will upscale and be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Okay, now I'm going to download the second one also. Click it and then click the drop down arrow, 2K. It will upscale and be downloaded into your gallery successfully. All right, so now we are done generating our image. Now, how do we now generate the video? How do we convert this image into video for absolutely free with a dialogue? How do we do that? Okay, so now let me show you how to do that. But before we do that, we need a prompt that we are going to use to convert this image to video. Let's quickly head over to ChatGPT and generate that prompt, and then I'll show you how to generate your video for absolutely free with a very high quality. Alright, so here we are on ChatGPT. I come back here to my ChatGPT. Now we want to get a prompt that we are going to use to convert that image to video. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to type. I'm going to type what I want them to do and to say. Okay, now see how I'm going to structure the prompt. The right says, remember, the reason why I'm doing this is to make it more specific. Whenever you are generating a video and you are putting a dialogue, the more specific you are, the better result you get. All right, so now look at the prompt. Now I say, help me write a well-detailed video prompt, a ready-to-paste video prompt that I can use to convert this image to video. Here is the dialogue. Remember, I say you should give me a video prompt, not image prompt again. And I say, here is the dialogue. That is, this is the conversation, this is the speech that I want them to have, right? I say, the man, which is the guy at the right, the guy is at the left, which is the guy at the left. Okay, says, remember I put this double quote. Okay, says, now the reason why I say the man, which is the guy at the left, is that I want the AI to understand that the human being at the left is the guy and the human being at the right is the lady. With this, the AI is going to understand that, oh, this person sitting down here is the guy, and with that, they are not going to exchange their dialogue. There's the way that the AI exchange the dialogue, the way you want it to be, so that they are not going to exchange it. I make it more specific, and remember, the more specific you are, the better the result that you are going to get. So I'm just trying to be more specific, so that what I want the guy to say, the guy is going to say it. What I want the woman to say, the woman is going to say it. Nothing like exchanging dialogue. Okay, so that is why I'm more specific about that. Okay, so now the guy at the left says, babe, do you know that there's an absolute free AI tool that you can use to generate a dialogue video like this for free? And the lady, the woman, which is the lady at the left, at the right, okay, at the right, responded, are you for real? Show me that. Okay, are you for real? Show me that. Do you understand? So this is what I want them to say. If you want action, if you want any other thing, you can go ahead and add it. Okay, so now, but let's just go with this. The main purpose of this video is to show you a free AI tool, right? So now go ahead and hit OK. All right, so in few seconds, ChatGPT was able to give me a detailed video prompt, a ready-to-paste video prompt that I'm going to use to convert that my image into video. So now what I need to do now is to go ahead and copy this prompt, head over to the free AI tool that I'm about to show you, bring in your image and convert it to video. Watch me as I'm doing that. A quick one, if you want to learn TikTok dropshipping and China importation, then I highly recommend you to check the description of this video to join the coming class by Elite Digital Hub. Now let's continue. So I'll copy. So I just copied this, generate. Now let me show you the free AI video generator that we are going to use. Alright, so to generate your video, just come here to your browser and then search for Thank You AI. Just search for Thank You AI. Okay, let's hit OK. Okay, this particular AI, to look at it, thankyouai.com. So go ahead and hit OK. Click it. Okay, as you can see on this AI, you have access to one, you have access to Seedance, you have access to video, you have access to Halo AI, you have access to Minimax, Runway, Nano Banana 2, ChatGPT, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and click create as a new beginner. As a new beginner, you'll be asked to log in using your email or your Google account. So go ahead and log in using your Google account. So after signing up successfully, the next thing to do now is to go ahead and generate your video. So for you to generate your video, look at this hamburger icon, go ahead and click it. And then you are going to see so many models here. As you can see, look at your asset, that is if you have generated any video before. And then you are going to see video gen, text to video, image to video, start and end to video. So what we need here is image to video. Go ahead and click image to video. And then it's going to bring you here. So now the next thing to do is to go ahead and select the model. Look at it. Look at this one. It's currently on 1.2.6, but that's not what we want to use. Click it and then scroll up. This is the one that we are going to use. You are going to see when you scroll up, you see Seedance 1.5. Go ahead and click this Seedance 1.5 because we want our image to talk, right? We want our video to talk, to have a conversation. Okay, we want it to talk. So that's why we are using Seedance 1.5. Now, what you need to do now, if you look very well, you have two plus icon. You have camera and then two plus icon. One is starting frame, another one is ending frame. Okay, for this, we only need just one, okay, which is the starting frame. Go ahead and click the first plus icon and then upload from device. And then I'll just have to go ahead and select the image. Look at the image. So I'll select anyone that I want. Okay, the image look alike. So let me just select the first one actually. Okay, and then click the image, tap the image the way what I just did. I tap it and then to bring it here. So my starting frame is here. Do you want an ending frame? Okay, but for this we are not going to use ending frame. In my next video we may look into this ending frame also very well. But now next thing to do is to go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Okay, now let's select our aspect ratio. Click this drop down arrow. If you look at the bottom right, if you look at the bottom left, you are going to see a drop down arrow, okay, opposite to the generate video. Click it and then you are going to see the aspect ratio. Look at it, 16:9, 9:16. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be making use of 16:9 because you are generating for YouTube. And then you scroll up, you are going to see the resolution of the video. I highly recommend 720 pixel instead of the 480 pixel. Okay, now the duration of the video, go ahead and select your duration. Let's put it at 6 or 8. Let's put it at 8. Remember, the more duration, the more your AI will generate a longer. I mean, the more duration you select, your credit. Okay, so be mindful of your credit. So let's put it at 8 or let's make it 10. Okay, let's make it 10 for a better result. All right, so now what I need to do now is to go ahead and paste the prompt that we just got from ChatGPT. That is the video prompt. Go ahead and paste it and then go ahead and hit generate video. Thank you. Task submitted. You see, task submitted. Your task is running. Now let's watch and see. They recommend that maybe we should join their Discord community. So just maybe later. And then my video is being generated. Now let's watch and see as our video is being generated. To see if your video is being generated, you just come to your history. Okay, look at it generating. So just give it time. A quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video? How to create a chatbot using AI? How to create a responsive website using AI? How to create any type of flyer or logo using AI? Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more, then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video, and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. All right, guys, so our video has been generated. Okay, so now look at it. So now let me play the video so that you see what we have. So you just have to go ahead and click play. As you can see, there's a drop down arrow. So let me play so that you see.
Baby, do you know that there's an absolutely free AI tool that you can use to generate a dialogue video like this for free?
Are you for real? Show me that.
Baby, do you know that there's an absolutely free AI tool that you can use to generate a dialogue video like this for free?
Are you for real? Show me that.
All right, guys, so this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. If you notice, the girl was not able to finish her statement. Why? Because the dialogue is longer than the duration of the video. Uh we choose 10 instead of the 12. Okay, and when you do that, in every AI video generator, when your dialogue is longer than the duration, this is just about 11 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. When your dialogue is longer than the duration of the video, it tends to cut out the character from finishing a statement, and that is what just happened. Okay, so this one, everybody, you know that this happened in every AI tool out there. It's not about this platform, it's about Sedans. And Sedans is one of the best AI video generator out there today. Okay, especially the new Sedans. So you have access to Sedan from here for absolutely free. Okay. All right. So the truth is that I would have said let me regenerate or do more, but I've exhausted my AI credit for now. This particular platform actually give you a particular AI credit that you can use. Not that one video will finish everything. No, depending on your setting and also how many video you generate. So you just have to try it out and see what you can get from it. Okay, and check their pricing. Not that it is 100% free. No, it is not 100% free, but they give you free AI credit that you can use to do some of your work, especially when you have a small project. So to download your video, look at this drop down arrow. You just have to click it and your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. And this is basically how to use Thank You AI for absolutely free. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new to this channel. And don't forget to tell me something else at the comment section and give me a thumbs up and pick JohnAb as per your friend. Until head, salute. Bye.